Hello there. So you want to know how you can simply go ahead and find car rentals on Skyscanner? This is going to be the only video that you'll ever need to watch on the internet. So with that being said, let's get straight into the video. First things first, simply go ahead and open any browser that you prefer and simply go ahead and search for Skyscanner. And now all you need to do is make sure that you're logged in, and now go ahead and click on car hire. Once you've clicked on car hire, as you can see, it's going to ask you for your pickup date, pickup time, pickup location. Now all you need to do is simply go ahead and select where you want to get your pickup. So for me, I want to get it on Dubai, for example, and then just go ahead and put your pickup date, your time, and just click on search. And as you can see, it's going to show you a lot of options. So for example, Corsa can come get you, Audi S3 can come get you, Sprinter could come get you, Corolla could come get you, there could be Tuscan, there could be Audi, and many more options that you can go ahead and choose. So I hope this video was helpful to you. If it was, hit that like button, and I'll see you on the next one.